What a day. I went down to Radioactivefab this morning because we were going to do some stuff on the car, and I always want to film the work so we can continue to build or start building Rob's YouTube following. So that is still in the works. The Radioactivefab YouTube channel is coming soon. But since you're here, subscribe, ring the bell, come for the race car, stay for the mortgage, or the other way around. Doesn't matter. We are growing this channel. Today, our goal was to put our two 8075 VS Racing turbos in their final place. We kind of knew where we wanted to put them up front, up high, you know, and they're finally in their home. Now, the rest of the build can continue to happen. We talked about Rob building some different motor mounts because I bought a pair of SpeedLogic motor mounts. There could be more space if we had round stock and made motor mounts that kind of caved in toward the oil pan. We could definitely clear a lot more space on the side of the motor because there's going to be some obstacles when it comes to getting to the front of the motor and getting up to the turbos. The alternator on the passenger side is definitely in the way, but I'll show you that in the video. And there's going to be some trick stuff he always wants to do that I'm always down with. So check out this time lapse of some of the stuff from today. Big Hudson's in the video hanging out. Couldn't be more excited about the progress on the car. Thanks for checking out the video. As always, come for the race cars and stay for the mortgage stuff. I'm always here to help educate veterans about their VA loan benefits. If you want to watch another video, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Every watch, like, share, and comment, all of that helps us grow the channel. How much horsepower do you think this car is going to make when the turbo kit is done? Leave it in the comments. We could talk about it there. I'm Byron Thomas, a veteran and a loan officer from Be My Neighbor Mortgage. Peace.